Hey friends! Welcome back to MS Paint with Audie. Today's super special because it's my best friend's birthday. I want to surprise him with a birthday card made in paint. Will you help me? Great! Let's go!
It's happy, happy, happy birthday. Let's laugh and dance and play. With balloons up in the sky, we all shout, hooray! Oh my! It's happy, happy, happy birthday. Cake and candles light the way. Make a wish and blow them out. Everyone will cheer and shout.
First, let's make balloons. Select the oval shape. Click on Solid Fill and choose the same color for outline and inside. I'm making red and blue balloons. You can add as many as you like. Now pick the brush tool and draw a curvy string for the balloon. Done! Now, every birthday needs cake, right? Yum! Select the rounded rectangle with brown color for the cake. Add a light color with the curve line tool to give it details. I'm decorating my cake with hearts and stars. You can use any shapes you like. Next, let's make a candle. Use the straight line tool for a candlestick. Pick your favorite color. Time for gifts. Select the rectangle shape. Fill it with bright colors. I added a ribbon flower on top using the brush tool. Easy and fun. Now let's make the birthday banner. Draw 2 curved lines, one shorter at the bottom. Connect them with straight lines to finish the banner. Fill it with your favorite color. I even added 2 little stars for extra sparkle. Then, select the text tool and write, "Happy Birthday." Adjust it to fit inside the banner. And there we go! Our colorful birthday card is ready. I can't wait to show it to my best friend. You can make one too, for your friends, parents, or anyone you love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can paint more fun things together. Bye!